how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session number 7 of chapter number 6, that is fractions, we are going to see the word problems related to fractions. But let us have a quick recap of what we have learned in our previous sessions. We have learned types of fractions, then fractions on number line, ordering of fractions, then addition and subtractions related to fractions, right? We have learned many of the things related to fractions. Now let us see the word problems, that is known as, we can also say it as story sums related to fractions. कि अगर fractions के आपको word problems दिए जाए तो in how you are going to solve that sums. So over here I am writing a question. Meghna and Jacob are working together on a painting. Right? Then afterwards, Meghna completed 2/9. Of the painting and Jacob 5/9. So what part of the painting is yet to be completed? So let us read the question again. That Meghna and Jacob, यहाँ पे दो पर्सन की बात की गई है. They are working together on a painting. वो लोग एक पेंटिंग पे वर्क कर रहे हैं. So Meghna completed 2/9 of the painting. पेंटिंग का सेकंड पार्ट जितना उसने कंप्लीट कर लिया. एंड जेकॉब 5/9, उसने 5/9 जितना. सो अभी पार्ट ऑफ द पेंटिंग कंप्लीटेड. पहले तो कितना कंप्लीट हुआ, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मच पेंटिंग इज कंप्लीटेड. सो पार्ट ऑफ द पेंटिंग completed, right? Then you will write 2/9 plus 5/9. So 5 plus 2. Here you can see that here in the denominator are same. So we can add this number 2 plus 5. That is 6 and 7. 7/9. So 7/9 part is already completed. Now we need to find out that what part of the painting is yet to be completed. अभी कितना part pending है. So pending part find out करने के लिए we need to find out first total part, right? So part of the painting completed, that is 7/9. Now part of the painting is yet to be completed. So you can write it as 1 minus 7/9, right? Or 9/9 you can also write, because 9/9 makes 1, right? So you can also write it like this way, 1 minus 7/9, or else 9/9 minus 7/9. So 9 minus 7, 8 and 9. So 2/9. 2/9 part is yet to be completed. अभी इतना part अभी pending है. So in this way you are supposed to solve the word problems. Okay, I hope that you have understood this. So we are moving on to our exercise part, that is our exercise 6.6, and in that first question in that, our first question is Sujata completed 3/10 of a Rangoli design on Monday. 3/10 of a Rangoli design on Monday, right? Then 1/10 on Tuesday, 1/10 on Tuesday, and 5/10 on Wednesday, 5/10 on Wednesday. So what fraction of the Rangoli design, what fraction of the Rangoli design did she complete in the 3 days? Did she in the 3 days? Means here they have said that Sujata is a girl, that Sujata completed 3/10 of a Rangoli. 10/10 is the total fraction, right? So 3/10 of a Rangoli design on Monday को उसने इतना complete किया. Then on Tuesday 1/10 and on Wednesday 5/10 part. So what fraction of the Rangoli design did she complete in the 3 days? इन तीनों दिन में उसने टोटल कितनी रंगोली, कितना फ्रैक्शन, कितना पार्ट रंगोली का फिनिश किया. So to find out that we need to add, right? So 3/10 plus 1/10 plus 5/10. So you can also write it as in the second step like 3 plus 1 plus 5/10. Right? The whole upon 10. Because here the denominator is common. So 3 here because it is a like fraction. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So Sujata completed 9/10 part of the Rangoli design. So you can also write the statement that Sujata completed 9/10 part of the Rangoli design. Okay? So, I hope that you have understood this fraction, that you just need to total because they have only asked that what fraction did she complete in तीनों दिनों में कितना complete किया. They did not ask that what it is yet to be complete. अभी कितना बाकी है find out. वो उसने हमें नहीं बोला है. So we are not going to do anything apart from this. Okay? They have only asked that how much did she completed. So we have said that 9/10 of the portion that she completed. Okay? So let's move on to the next one. Okay, now the second question is Rekha used Rekha used 3/8 of cooking oil that she had bought in the first week. That she had bought in the first week. Then after, and 2/8 in the second week, and 2/8 in the second week. Right? So what fraction of the cooking oil, what fraction of the cooking oil has been used up? of the oil remains? What fraction of the oil remains? So now you can see over here that Rekha used 3/8 of cooking oil that she had bought in the first week. कि फर्स्ट वीक में से जो वो ऑयल लाई उसमें से उसने 3/8 जितना यूज किया एंड 2/8 इन द सेकेंड वीक, और सेकेंड वीक में उसने 2/8 जितना यूज किया. सो व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द कुकिंग ऑयल हैज बीन यूज्ड अप? तो टोटल अभी कितना ऑयल यूज्ड हुआ है? सो वी कैन राइट एज टोटल ऑयल यूज्ड इज इक्वल्स टू 3/8 plus 2/8. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5/8. So total oil used, that is 5/8. Now what is the second question? That what fraction of the oil remains? अभी कितना ऑयल अभी बचा है हमारे पास? तो fraction of the oil remains. So total हमें मिल गया. So now we can write it as 1 minus 5/8, or else you can also write it as 8/8 minus 5/8. So 8 minus 5, that is 6, 7 and 8, 3. So that is 3/8 remains. अभी 3/8 जितना ऑयल हमारे पास बचा है. Right? So first you need to read the question properly and then solve the question. Okay? Don't just go on without seeing. Just you have seen the digits and just don't go on solving out the sums. The digits देख के sums solve करना start नहीं कर देना है. First of all you need to read the whole question. You need to read पूरा का पूरा question आपको भी पढ़ना है, and then you need to identify whether you are supposed to do addition or a subtraction or else both, right? So that you need to first see, check it out, and then you just go on solving out the sum, and after solving check it twice and thrice. 2-3 बार अपना question जो है वो check करो. Okay? Now let's see the another question. Now, another question is, Raju was given 3/8 of a cake. Raju was given 3/8 of a cake. And Meenu was given 1/8. And Meenu was given 1/8. So who got the bigger share? Who got the bigger share? Now you need to identify that which is the greater one. किसको बड़ा share मिला? Raju was given 3/8. So you can write it over here. Raju 3/8 and 1/8 that goes to Meenu. So according to the rules, when the denominator is same but the numerator is different, right? So जब ऐसा कोई situation रहती है, then we need to see the greater numerator will be the greater one. As we know कि जो बड़ा numerator होगा वही हमारा आंसर रहेगा, right? जो वही बड़ा कहलाएगा. So yes, Raju got the bigger share. So you can write it over here. Therefore, Raju got, you just need to write down that Raju got the bigger share. Now, if for suppose यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर की जगह न्यूमरेटर पे दोनों जगह पर 8 दिए होते, राइट? न्यूमरेटर इक्वल रहते और डिनोमिनेटर का नंबर्स चेंज रहते, then the lower number is a greater share. जो लोअर नंबर होगा वो सबसे बड़ा कहलाएगा एंड जो बड़ा नंबर होगा वो सबसे छोटा कहलाएगा. Remember our rule of ordering the fractions as I have taught you, right? So if you have forgot, then just go through the video. And just now also we have recorded that part, right? So this was about this. Now you need to see that now you need to solve the sums by yourself. अब जो आगे के सम्स है you need to solve it by yourself. I will just explain it to you. मैं सिर्फ आपको पूरा का पूरा explain कर दूंगी, then you will solve it by yourself. Okay? So in Malini's neighborhood there is a girl whose name is Malini. Malini's neighborhood 3/5 of the people like watching teleserials means उसे टीवी सीरियल्स देखना पसंद है. कितने लोगों को? 3/5 and 3/9 like watching movies. Okay, so which is more popular, TV serial or movies? कौन सा किसका सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलर है? So as just now only I have recalled that rule कि जब numerator जो है when the numerator is equal कि as I told you कि जब numerator equal रहते हैं and the denominators are different, at that time the lower the denominator the greater the number. कि जो denominator में जो number अगर lower है, छोटा है, तो वो सबसे बड़ा कहलाएगा और जो सबसे बड़ा number है वो सबसे छोटा कहलाएगा, right? So 3/5 is the greater because 5 और 9 में 5 छोटा है, so वो बड़ा कहलाएगा, उसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा रहेगी. So yes, 3/5 that means TV serials are more popular. TV serials जो है वो ज्यादा popular है. So this is the answer. Okay? Then afterward, Hari's father set aside 1/10 of his salary for medical expenses. उसकी सैलरी में से 1/10 पार्ट मेडिकल एक्सपेंस का, right? Then afterward 2/10 for house rent, for house rent, and 4/10 for food. So the rest is used for other expense. अब बाकी के जो है वो other expenses के लिए and savings का है part. So what fraction of his salary makes up the rest? अभी rest कितने बचे? So पहले तो हमें इसका total करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि rest part कितना अभी हमारे पास बचा है उसको find out करने के लिए. So first you will total this 4/4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. Now you will minus that 1 minus 7/10. So 10 minus 7 that is 3. 3/10 is the other expenses. Okay? So in this way you are supposed to solve the sums. And I will send you the worksheet of the word problems which you are supposed to solve it by yourself. I hope that you have understood that how to solve the word problems related to fractions. And now in this session we are ending our chapter over here. This was the last part, that is word problems. After that our fractions chapter is, and we are ending over here. Okay? And still if you have any kind of a doubt, if you don't understand anything, then you can ask me in the comment section, or else you can go through our previous videos. Okay? And as a part of revision, I'll send you some of the questions is in the description section. Description section में मैं आपको कुछ questions दूंगी. If you know the answer, then you can tell me your answer in the comment section. आपको पता है तो आप मुझे comment section में अपने answers मुझे बता सकते हो, ठीक है? So this was all about today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take good care of yourself.